friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious onion salsa. It's perfect for any type of taco. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, protecting your skillet. I'm going to add some foil paper right on the top. I'm going to add my tomato. It's a very large tomato and some garlic cloves. And let's put it aside. And now I want to show you that I have my tomatillos here. I'm going to take the skin off of the tomatillos and we are going to rinse them really good through running water. This salsa really comes out so delicious and amazing, and it's perfect for any type of taco. Let me show you. Let's rinse the tomatillos out really good, and once they're nice and clean, we're going to transfer them into the skillet. Always protect your skillet when you are roasting your tomatoes and tomatillos. And here I want to show you that I have the chile de árbol already roasted. I bought them just like that, nice and toasted. And now, of course, I'm going to continue with 2 onions. It seems a lot, but let me tell you, once you make this amazing salsa, you are going to be done with it. The truth. Let me tell you, here at home, I make this salsa very often and we use it on any type of taco, crispy taco, potato taco, carne asada taco, chicken, you name it, even in shrimp tacos. Well, here I'm going to start slicing all the onion. I know my makeup is going to be ruined because this is very spicy. I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to cover it so I don't continue crying. And let me cover it and let's continue. Let's go to the stove and let's see how this is cooking. Remember, the bottom part always needs to go first because it takes longer to cook. After about 10-15 minutes, you're going to flip your tomatillos and your tomato. Make sure that your garlic doesn't burn. So I'm going to leave them here. I'm going to cook them as is. And then when they are nice and mushy and they're releasing the juices, I am ready to put it into my blender cup. I'm going to start by adding everything into my blender cup, even the garlic cloves. And let me show you how I protected my skillet. Let me show you that the skillet, it's not damaged at all. Look at this. And now I am ready to add the seasonings. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of boiling water. And I am going to blend completely, nice and smooth. Always add hot water when you are going to blend the tomatillos and the tomato. When they're nice and blended, we're going to add our chile de árbol. I'm adding about 10 to 15 chiles de árbol. You decide how spicy you want it, okay? The same with the salt. You decide how much salt you're going to add into this delicious salsa. And here I have the onion already nice and pulled. And now I am ready to cover it with the amazing hot salsa. Of course, the onion is still al dente, but after a couple minutes, it's going to get so soft and it's going to be so perfect. Like, subscribe, and share. I am sure you're going to love this onion salsa. And how am I going to enjoy this amazing salsa? Let me show you. Always let it rest for a couple of minutes. Of course, I have the presentation plate. I'm going to add all my onion, all my salsa in here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to enjoy it with my beautiful family. always cook with love. Everything will come out perfect. A grilled piece of chicken. I'm going to top it off with the onion and the salsa. And this is going to be amazing. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in a bit. Familia linda, aquí ya he terminado con esta salsita de cebolla que ha quedado para chuparte los dedos. Yo le agregué un pedacito de pechuga y vamos a ver cómo ha quedado esto. Siempre queda de lujo, permiso. Mmm. Mmm. Qué rico. Espesita y deliciosa. Mmm. Ha quedado para chuparte los dedos. ¿Te gustó y te encantó esta deliciosa salsita de cebolla? Regálame tu like, comparte este video, suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. No se te olvide a presionar esa campanita. Ya la presionaste, déjala activada, así que cada vez que suba una rica y deliciosa receta, vas a ser notificada y notificado. Antes de despedirme, yo les deseo mucho amor y paz. Los quiero un montón. Gracias por ser parte del crecimiento de Gloria en la cocina. Yo me quedaré disfrutando de esta salsa de cebolla que quedó para chuparte los dedos. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.